Hey guys, how's it going? How to optimize iPhone storage on iOS 18.1.1. So first of all, what you need to do, enable optimize iPhone storage for photos. Go to the settings, okay? Scroll a little bit down to find photos, okay? Let me type right here, photos, okay? Now enable the optimize iPhone storage, okay? If you find it somewhere right here. Okay, you can find it somewhere right here. iCloud photos automatically upload and safely store all your photos and videos in iCloud, so you can browse and search and share any from any of your devices. And you're gonna see next to it, optimize iPhone storage. Okay, to store smaller photos versions locally. Next, what you're gonna do, offload unused apps. Automatically remove unused apps by enabling settings, app store, and then make sure that you offload unused apps. Okay, scroll right here, make sure that you color this one green. Next, what you're gonna do, delete large files. Go to the settings, main settings, and then click general, iPhone storage, and for large files, and delete them. Okay, go ahead to, let's have example, CapCut. Click delete and double click to remove that app. Okay, and that should reduce the amount of storage. Next, what you're gonna do, clear Safari cache. Go to the settings, scroll a little bit down, click apps, try to pin down Safari. Okay, click Safari from here. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find a button to clear history and website data. Go ahead and then clear history. Double click to confirm that you want to clear the website data. Next, what you're gonna do, manage messages. To set messages to delete automatically after 30 days via settings. Okay, and then try to pin down messages. Okay, scroll a little bit down. Okay, and just via settings, messages, and then you're gonna find keep messages option. Okay, if you didn't find it somewhere here, send that as a text message right here. Make sure that you delete it after 30 days. Default messages from here, scroll a little bit down, messages, iMessage app, scroll a little bit down, show contact photos, read receipts, text messaging, and you're gonna be able to see that I don't have that option. Yeah, audio message, expire, never, raise to listen. You're gonna see that this option is not available. But alternatively, what you're gonna do, you could just go back and then try to pin down messages. Okay, and what you're gonna do, just hit edit at the top left, click select messages, and then select all messages. Okay, I'm gonna do it manually, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead, delete the unnecessary messages, and click delete at the bottom right, double click, and then you can just go ahead and click edit at the top left, because it stored the messages that you deleted stored in trash. Click show deleted messages, double click to delete all at the bottom left, and delete the 40 message. And then as you can see, now I deleted the unnecessary messages, right? If you didn't find it automatically, like the option to keep messages, right, you can do it manually from here. Okay, so next, what you're gonna do, delete old media. Go back to your screen and then open up the photos. Okay, and then hit select next to the avatar icon at the top right, and delete the old photos or unnecessary photos and videos. Then hit delete at the bottom and delete 5 photos or 5 photos and videos. And then you're gonna find the photos stored in trash by scrolling a little bit down. You're gonna find it right here, recently deleted, and double click again to confirm that you want to view the files that you deleted, right? Hit select at the top, same thing, click the 3 dots at the bottom right, hit delete all, and then double click to delete from all devices. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do, use or cloud services, store file in iCloud or Google Drive or similar services. Go back to your screen and go to the main settings. Let me go back right here. Click your name at the top and then hit iCloud and then access iCloud data on the web, and then just go ahead right here and click the storage at the top. Right now, as you can see right here, you're gonna see backups. Click on it. Make sure that you back up your data, your files. Okay, make sure that you allow it. Okay, you're gonna see right here, save to iCloud. And as you can see, I colored this one green. That means that any message or any data will be saved in the cloud. So if I change my device in the future, I'm gonna be able to restore my information. So these steps ensure optimal use of your device storage. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.